What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Now it's that time. Companies have finally done it and they've managed to put the fingerprint to be able to work. So I'm looking forward to doing this one. ESR did not send these over. I purchased these and you'll find a link down below to my Amazon affiliate link, which won't cost you guys any extra. And there might be some offers on as well, but this is where you can pick them up. There'll be a link down below, so be sure to check that out. But it is the ESR tempered glass screen protector, but not the screen protector you're thinking. Flip it over, unleash the power of MagSafe, and it is Privacy Screen. Finally managed to pick one up, and because of the flat display, this should be super easy to install. So let's just go ahead and pop this open. Let's get the trusty unboxing knife and just slice right through there. And see what you get inside the box. So there we go, pulling this out. Become a super user. Normally find these in most cases and stuff like that with ESR, but you'll also find links to ESR's cases down below. We've done 2 or 3 videos now. You'll find them linked down below, and they're also in the playlist at the very end, so you can check out the playlist for all your S24 Ultra goodies. So scan to watch a quick setup video, but I'm sure you guys are going to stick around and watch this one. So you do get the aligner tray. It doesn't say top or bottom, it says ESR on the top right there, and it faces that way, so I'm assuming that would be the way to go. 1 and 2 screen protectors. You get the ESR Tech Made Easier squeegee. So there you go, it's nice and straightforward, and you get a pack right here, nothing else in there, so we'll put one of these away. Let's see, let's take that out. So 2 wet wipes, we only need 1, so let's place that out the way. You get 1 microfiber and 1 set of dust removal stickers, but there is 3 on there, and then there is your tempered glass screen protector, and of course it is the privacy version. So I'm looking forward to installing this. I've installed privacy screen protectors on almost all the phones I've owned since they've been starting to come out with like Spiegel ones, etc. But I have got a screen protector on this right now, which I will take off. So there we go, there's that one out completely off. So the screen is pretty clean, but I'm still gonna go ahead and give it a good thorough cleaning anyway. So let's take that out, and it says little arrow to tear, and let's take that out right there. Okay, so there we go, let's fan that out, and then give the screen a good wiping over, get rid of any like little dust debris that may have landed just now, and any of like the residue from the glue from the previous install that you've done, or if it's a new device, just go over it anyway, make sure it's nice and clean. And then what I like to do is just take the microfiber and just take off any little bit of wetness and just give it a good thorough polishing up, just make it nice and shiny. That's the way you want it. Let's give it a whirl. Let's take off 1 of the dust removal stickers like so, place the rest away, and then just go over your screen, take off any bits of dust that you may see. Looks really good to me. Okay, we're going to take the tray, place it over so it's nice and aligned. I have just got a bit of dust on there right now as I move things, so let's take that off. Okay, take your screen protector, remove it from the film like so, make sure it doesn't get thingy to the air, and you're going to place it into the aligner like so, and then let it go and let it do its thing. Run your finger down it. Hopefully this is a nice straightforward install. I've got a few bubbles forming right there, not too much, the squeegee will take them out. So now we take off the aligner, so just make sure your fingers are nice and pressed against it so it doesn't come off. Place that out the way, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take your squeegee and just look for any bubbles and just start pushing them out. Now yes, this will take away the anti-reflective coating, so will most screen protectors at the minute. I don't think anyone has made a decent one as of yet, but as soon as someone does, I'll be sure to bring you that one. But this is for those that want that nice privacy screen protector. You know, unless you're like me, you actually love these privacy screen protectors. And you know what? That was such an easy install. Like, so easy. And there we go. So, let's check fingerprint. There we go. It actually works with the fingerprint, and I haven't had to replicate it, put it back in. Let's see how high the screen is though. It's quite high. But facing you, I mean, it's absolutely perfect when it's facing. It's just as you turn. As you can see, it just starts to darken as you turn. Ooh, yeah, that's what you want. That is a fantastic privacy protector. Easy install, so easy, hardly any real bubbles, and this guy got them out. Anyone that was there, this guy got them out. That is absolutely fantastic. As I say, ESR did not send this out. I did give them an email just to ask the question, but unfortunately I didn't hear nothing back. But I wanted to do this video anyway, so I did go ahead and buy it from Amazon. But let me know what you think. Is a privacy screen protector something you would go for? I know you'll use that anti-reflective coating. That is a perfect install. I am super happy with that, and they're reasonably priced too on Amazon right now. So if you want to find out for yourself just how reasonably priced they are, check the link in the description. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, let me know what you think of a screen protector that's got privacy on it. Would you prefer an anti-reflective one? Would you prefer a normal tempered glass one? Let me know what you want to see next in the video down below. Full S24 Ultra playlist coming up right at the very end. Click on it and let me know what you think. But for now guys, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, like if you liked it, subs if you loved it, turn those notifications on, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care guys.